Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Then the Feng Shui, the hospital Vastu. Hospital has operation theatre, doctor's cabin, patient's room, medical store, parking, pantry are the factors of the hospital. The, it is advised that operation theatre should be built in the west side of the hospital. While lying on the stretcher, the head of the patient should be on the south side. The operation theatre should not be exposed to the sun. The patient should be exposed to the sun while he is moved for test. The doctor should operate facing either east, north or west side in the hospital. The doctor should never operate any patient facing south side. The flooring slope should be towards north, east or northeast side. It should face the east preferably, and the entry should be in the east or northeast. Patient who is to be operated should be kept in the northwest portion of the operation theatre. An emergency case or serious case should never be kept in the southwest corner of the operation theatre. Do not operate on Amavasya and Paurnami days. During that days, the moon and the sun and the earth will come in one line, and the gravitational force or the magnetic force will be more, and the water currents will be rising up. The tides also come up. Our body has more than 70% of water. That is why on Amavasya and Paurnami days, the water level in the person will be rising up. If the operation must be taken on the Ashtami Navami Tithi, that will be good for operation. Doctor's cabin, southwest corner, is the actual place for the doctor's cabin, and doctors should be in the north facing direction. All heavy furniture such as sofa, cots, divan, tables should be arranged along the southern of western walls. The ventilated roof of the doctor's cabin should be the 2 feet to 3 feet higher than the top floor of the roof. Place for examining persons should be placed in the north side of the cabin. While sitting, the doctor should be face the east or north direction. The racks for medical books and medicines should be in the south or west. Waiting room for the patient should be located in the south direction of the doctor's cabin. The patient room. This room should be organized in the southwest or northwest corner. If the head of the patient is kept in the south, he recovers soon towards north, east and northeast. It is advised for balconies of the patient's room, while yellow light or blue light courageous are good for the walls of the patient's room. Walls should be thicker than on the western and southern sides of the patient's room. Doors should open towards north or east direction. A window in front of the main door on the other side of the patient room is good for cross ventilation of the air. Windows should not be in the south, but if they are unavoidable, they should be smaller in size and fewer in the number. Furniture such as sofa, divan, tables should be arranged along the southern or western walls of the patient's room. Folding or fiber others or modas can be arranged along the northern or the eastern directions of the patient's room. Avoid cooking and short of food materials in the patient's room. Windows of the patient room should be kept open during the time of sunrise. A bouquet of fresh flowers kept in the patient's room is very good for keeping the patient's mood calm and cheerful. Medical store. The medicines should be stored, dispensed in the northwest corner or drinking water should be kept in the northeast direction of the medical store. The racks for medicines should be in the south and west direction. Cash counter should be in the south or west of the medical store. For keeping medicines, refrigerator can be placed in the northwest corner of the store counter. That will be good. For dispensing medicines can also be placed in the southeast side of the medical store. Parking northeast side of the hospital is recommended for parking. The rainwater should flow towards north or east or northeast direction of the playground. Open areas in the northeast of the hospital can also be utilized for temporary parking. For the parking of the light vehicles, northeast portion of the hospital can also be used. The pantry, it should be located in the southeast or northwest direction. It is advised to be kept in the pantry cross ventilators by keeping windows on the opposite sides. That will be good. In Krita Yuga, man craved for Ganwin. In Theatre Yuga, man carved for Dharma. In Dwapara Yuga, man did yajnas and yagas. In Kali Yuga, man craves for the bodily enjoyment, but put every effort to accumulate money and material wealth without thinking what is in dharma and what is adharma through unethical and immoral means. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subject.